Welcome to the Guide My Work operator screen. This brief video will take you through each part of the operator screen and explain each section. Once an operator logs into a station, they will either see a schedule of parts to be built, be prompted to scan a part barcode, or see a list of available parts to build as shown in this example. On the right side of the screen, operators will be shown production information, including parts built for the current shift, an average of parts built per hour, part built totals for the last 8 hours broken down by hour, and any defects recorded for that shift. Once a part is selected to be built, the instruction steps and cycle timer will be shown. The cycle timer will display the current cycle time for that step and an average cycle time. Once an operator goes over the cycle, the timer will change color and display how many seconds over they are going. Once a part is confirmed complete, the next cycle will begin from the initial step. The operator screen also includes a menu tray along the bottom of the page with various sections for the operator to utilize. The Actions section allows operators to log out of the system, record a defect, restart the instruction steps from the beginning, bypass an instruction step if you're given the proper authorization, or change which part is being built. The Help Request section can allow an operator to send a help request text to a group that has been set up within the Guide My Work Manager. Once they select which group they want to send the request to and confirm the help request, a text will be sent stating which work cell and station is requesting assistance. It will also state the help request group it was sent to in the event that someone is added to multiple groups, for example, maintenance, IT, etc. This will also help distinguish the nature of the help request. The Info Center includes a library for any alerts or reference material that has been added in from the Guide My Work Manager page. There is also a settings option at the bottom of the screen that allows you to close the application, deregister the station from that device, or send support data as needed. When an operator logs into Guide My Work for the first time, they will be prompted to go through a guided tour of Guide My Work. This includes the main operator page, as well as when they start building a part. After completing this tour, they will not be shown the information again, unless the tour is reset within the Guide My Work Manager. For more information and training resources, be sure to visit nysus.com/guidemywork.